This video is going to be about popular template editors that you can use for your digital Etsy shop so that your buyers can edit them and they can even try before they buy. They usually have a demo. But before I get into the video, I wanted to thank Sandra from Eide Design Shop for sponsoring this video. And I wanted to delve into her shop because she does just that. So here is her shop, and she has made 177 sales. So she focuses on printable wall art, edible invitations, and party decor. So what is so awesome about this is right now she's got Christmas party and Christmas things in here, even tags. So this is a great thing to do where you can edit them yourself and it's an instant download. So, you know, if you wake up on, Christmas morning, or it's 11:59 on Christmas Eve and you forgot to wrap a Christmas present for Aunt Sally, you can go to Eide Design Shop and you can download her tags here that she has. So I just wanted to point that out, that is the beauty of instant downloads, is that you can just print them out and you don't have to run out in the middle of the night to get those things. And not to mention, some of the designs that people make on their own are actually a lot better than the ones I've seen in the store. So she has beautiful designs here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull up one of her items. This one right here. This is an invitation for a Christmas party, and it's kind of like a rustic looking Christmas invitation. So she's got this in a nice mock-up photo right here. And she uses a program called Corjl where you can edit the text on the invitation. So then she has it in another mock-up photo. And then she even shows some printing options. You can print 2 per page, print from home and save paper, or let's see, single tile, print shop, or pre-cut paper. So it's however you want to do it. If you have a good printer at home, you can print these at home, or you can send them to your local printer and have them printed. So nothing like a personalized invitation. So right now she has this in her shop for only $4.90. And she talks about here how it works with Corjl. So Corjl is an online tool that allows you to personalize your designs right after purchasing. This is a service that the seller pays for, not the buyer. So you get instant access to these items and they're high quality downloads. So you can even demo the item and see what it looks like before you even print it out. So you can demo it and then purchase it if you like it. And then you can print at home or send to your local printer. And that's how it works. It's really that simple. So she just happens to use Corjl. So this is an instant download. She's just putting that on here. And then we're back to the main photo here. So I'm going to hop back over here to her shop just to go back over some more of her items because she has so many different items. Things for even baby showers, diaper raffle ticket, books for baby card. She has wall art, And there are she has a lot of items in her shop. So let me pull up one of her wall art items. So this is Mom or Mimosa Bar, with stressing the word mom. Pour the bubbly splash, some juice, garnish with fruit. Cheers. And she has this beautifully displayed in a mock-up photo. And this is a printable baby shower decor, and it's an instant download. So, and she talks about at-home printing. She said use the 8x10 PDF files to print at home on a standard 8.5x11 sheet, or you can cut to 8x10 size by cutting the trim marks designated on the printed PDF. Frame and enjoy. So she really does have that set for you. And let me just check out another one of her items here that she does. I thought this was really cute, the books for baby. So if you were having a baby shower, she has this also beautifully displayed on a mock-up photo. And this is an editable template that you can purchase and download. And this is only $2.80 for this baby shower decoration that you can put up here. And then once again, she puts printing options on her items. And she also has coordinating items in here. So be sure when you read, I will leave a link to her shop in the description below. So just make sure that when you go through her shop, you actually read, because she has a lot of coordinating items that go along with it, such as the thank you tag. So just be sure to check that out. And she has everything over here in perfect organized tabs. So she has wall art, fall wall art, holiday wall art, baby shower invites, baby shower games, diaper raffle cards, baby shower extras, bridal shower invites, event signs, thank you cards, and gift tags. I absolutely love her gift tags here. So here is a gift tag that she has, and you can print these out. And you can print and cut these also. So printing options for these, you can print 8 or 10 per page, depending upon how you want the tag size to be. And then once again, she's giving you an example of how Corjl actually works. So please jump over and check out her shop. She does have a lot of amazing items in her shop. And another thing that is really popular, I love that she has these baby shower games that you can just go ahead and play, print out, and then they're ready to go. So these are also editable, and you can put the name of the baby here, and it'll say write, or if you don't know the name, baby ABC, write the baby related item that starts with each letter. The first to finish wins. So just a really, really cute idea and perfect. I'm so grateful for technology today and the fact that we can just get right on, we can just get right on Etsy, and we can, download something and print it right out from home without ever having to leave the house, or we can send it to our local printer. So back to some other things. Let's do some the bridal shower invitations. Now, she has some very beautiful bridal shower invitations, and she's got, okay, so let's just talk about that for a second. Bridal shower invitations are really expensive, and so right here you can purchase this for $4.90, and she has a selection of a lot of bridal invitations. You can edit it by using Corjl, which is what she uses, and then you can print as many as you need. So if you're having a very small wedding with just 25 people that you want to invite, then you can print just 25. Or if you're having a very large wedding and you're having 500 people, you can purchase this for $4.90 and print out 500 copies. So it's up to you. It's just how you want to do it. And that is the beauty. And then also she is showing you coordinating items. So I really hope that you will check her shop out. She has everything in here. And then also showing you how to use Corjl. Now, she just happens to use Corjl, Sandra, with Eide Design Shop. So I wanted to talk about that for just a second, because there are other places that you can go to edit. And I'm going to go to Corjl right here. And this kind of tells you how this works. So it kind of shows you on the pricing right here. So you can start out at $7.99 a month, and they charge 65 cents per transaction. You do have unlimited artboards and unlimited transactions, and that's probably what you would want to use if you were just starting. So if you are growing, for medium-sized and growing shops, it's $15.99 a month to use this service. So this is, once again, a service that the seller uses and not the buyer. And you can make things, anything. You can make invitations. You can even make logos, all sorts of things. And then the buyer will. So, as I was saying, there are other places you can go, and the other one is Templett. So I'm going to click on Templett's website. So they have easy to use, editable templates, and I think on their pricing, they, let me see on their pricing. Because I think they have one price, and I think it's like $29.99 a month. Let me see if I can find that price. Okay, so with the template fees, they have plan options starting at $29 per month with different features. So it says that you can choose the right plan for your business. Each subscription plan option has an associated transaction fee. The fee you will be charged per sale. You can change plans at any time. So they both have great options. So it would be up to you to decide if you wanted to use Templett or if you wanted to use Corjl. I would say that you would want to do research on Corjl versus Templett and see which one you like the best on, you know, how to use it. But Sandra definitely likes Corjl, and that is what she uses with her shop. So I'm going to go back here to all and just kind of go through and just show you some of the awesome things that she has in her shop, especially for Christmas. I'm really loving these holiday items that she has, you know, in her shop also for Christmas. She even has a baby, it's cold outside baby shower invitation, and that is just adorable. So make sure you visit her shop and, you know, maybe purchase something from her and try using Corjl and see how you like it. So I will leave a link to this in the description below this video. I hope this video was informative for you. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos about how to make money online. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.